Farengadao. Farengadao is a word in the Bodo language, which means owl bird. The owl bird wakes up in the morning before all the other birds, rest in the evening only after all the birds return to the bamboo. The owl bird with the sound of the melodious voice can perfectly imitate the voice of many other birds. Going out in search of food, it takes other small birds with it and builds courageous resistance against hunter birds like Shane, eagles, etc. The tribal society named Kalaguru Bishnu Prasad Raba as Farengadao because of this leadership, courage and sacrifice. Farengadao is an incredible Assamese novel composed by Medini Chowdhury based on the life and struggles of Kalaguru Bishnu Prasad Raba. This book, published in 1982, is a significant asset of Assamese literature, which is equally read and relevant even today. Medini Chowdhury is not only limited to scripting Bishnu Raba's life, but also made her alive as a human, thinker, artist and revolutionary through the artistry of novels. That's why Farengadao isn't just a biography book, it's a meaningful combination of history, biography and novels, these three series. To deeply understand Bishnu Raba's personality, ideology and era consciousness, this novel can be called an Assamese literature. Farengadao is an acclaimed Assamese novel written by the Sahitya Akademi award-winning author and novelist Medini Chowdhury. 1-2. Here is an overview of the book. Core theme: the novel is a biographical narrative that heavily focuses on the life, revolutionary activities, and struggles of Kalaguru Bishnu Prasad Raba, a legendary cultural icon of Assam. Historical context: it intricately captures Raba's early struggles, his complex encounters with the police, and his later transformation into a revolutionary figure fighting for social justice and cultural preservation. Author: Medini Chowdhury. Medini Mohan Chowdhury was a prominent figure in Assamese literature, known for his unique blend of history, culture, and fiction.